welcome to the channel. After the welding that's been done, I spoke to the welder about the quality of the floor of the trailer, and he suggested that if I was to get it sandblasted, there would be significant amount of metal removal, rust removal, which would make the bottom of this trailer quite holy. You can probably see a couple of locations where it's gone through. So I've decided against getting the bed sandblasted because I don't want to open up a can of worms. So what I'm currently doing is treating it with Rustin's rust converter. Basically you apply it with a brush, and any metal or rust will go purpley blue in colour. Obviously it's had quite a substantial wire brushing to get rid of all of the loose flaky rust, and then wipe down with some panel wipe to make sure the surface is oil free. And now I'm just applying this product, which will be the first coat of many to protect what's left of the floor of this tub. I mean, the sides and most of the tub is quite sound, but I don't want to go to the expense of cutting out the old bed and putting a new one in. A new bed alone is 300 quid just for the sheet metal, and then obviously removing this and putting in a new piece can run into several hundreds of pounds. So this will keep the trailer going for a few years once I've finished, and I'll show you the process of, once this is applied, what I apply next. Keep watching. So you can see here I've put some red oxide primer down in the base of the trailer, 3 coats in fact, and I'm now just scuffing it up with a Scotch-Brite before I put the final surface on top, which will be a Raptor coating. It's not period correct, but you got to keep in mind I'm trying to conserve the trailer bed, and it's heavily corroded, so I'm trying to give it as much chance as possible to remain intact before I do have to replace it, hopefully in a few years' time. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.